In this video, we're going to create a game in Kahoot that your students can play to review concepts covered in class. To begin, make an account at kahoot.com, entering your email and a password. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the options available for free accounts. You do not need to sign up for any payment plan to use the basic functionality of Kahoot and make an enjoyable activity for your class. Once you've created an account, click on the blue square that says Create at the top right of your toolbar. Click on the first option, which says Kahoot. You'll notice there are now many options for creating Kahoots. There's an AI-assisted generator, as well as templates. In this tutorial, we'll focus on creating your own Kahoot from scratch. Click on Blank Canvas on the right. On the left side of the screen is where your questions will appear. On the right, you can see options for different themes. For Back to School, let's select the autumn background. Now we can start adding our questions. Click on the blue Add Question button on the left, and you can see two main styles of question available for free Kahoot users. There's the multiple choice or quiz question, and the true-false. There's also a word cloud, open-ended questions, and brainstorm templates available. For today, we'll focus on creating a quiz activity. Let's start with a multiple choice question. Click on Quiz. After clicking, you'll see the multiple choice template with 4 possible answers. If you click below on Add More Answers, you can add up to 2 more answers for a total of 6. The minimum number of responses is 2. There's also the option to add an image or video to accompany the question. Let's create a sample question. Which of the following is a popular EdTech career? Instructional designer or dog walker? After you've entered the choices, be sure to select which one is correct. Note that with the free account, only one correct answer may be selected. Now let's look at our options for images. Click on Find and Insert Media. You'll notice there's only one free Getty image available. However, you can choose unlimited free images from Unsplash. Additionally, there are many GIFs available in both standard and sticker form, and adding videos through YouTube or Vimeo is also an option with the free account. When we click on Unsplash, you can see that suggestions are provided for images relevant to the topic. You also have the option of searching for images of your choice. Once our question is complete, we can add the next one. Let's create a true-false question. EdTech is a growing career field. You'll note that with true-false, we simply have the 2 options. Again, be sure to select the correct answer. On the right hand of your screen, you'll see options for further modification. The default time limit for responses is 20 seconds, but it can be adjusted as needed for your learners, as can the number of points for each question. For this question, let's add a sticker. Once you've created all of your questions, you can change the order by simply dragging and moving the slides to where you'd like them to go. You also have the option of duplicating or removing slides. Once you've created your quiz, go ahead and give it a title. You can preview by clicking the preview button at the top right of the screen. And quizzes will be automatically saved to your drafts, but you can click the blue Save button to save it as well. There it is, you've created your Kahoot. Now it's ready to share with others so they can use it for practice or you can host it as a live game for your class to enjoy together.